So today we'll see what is the concept of entrepreneurship. So entrepreneur is a person who is venturing into a new business. Entrepreneurship is the process of forming a company. You can call it as a function or process performed by an entrepreneur in establishing an enterprise. So if an entrepreneur is starting a business, what are the steps or process to be followed? That constitutes the entrepreneurship. Okay, that constitutes entrepreneurship. So see here, what is entrepreneurship? The functions performed by an entrepreneur in establishing an enterprise. So to start a company, what all the tasks he has to undertake so that he is establishing his empire. An act of being an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship means it is the act of being an entrepreneur. So your entrepreneur means again there's three dimensions will come into picture: risk bearer, innovator, and organizer. So the three aspects of entrepreneur will automatically come whenever you use the term entrepreneur. It is a process involving various actions to be undertaken to establish an enterprise. So if you want to do a business, if you want to start a company, what all the different steps you'll be following to do that. That entire thing collaboratively it is called as entrepreneurship. In simple term, it is a process of giving birth to a new company. So you are incubating a new company, and that process is called as entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is collectively, if you want to summarize entrepreneurship in a single word, you can say it is a collaborative process or steps performed by an entrepreneur to establish an enterprise. That is going to be entrepreneurship.